So sorry about the night deal. This is all I can work with. But actually I'm off tomorrow. I could do this tomorrow, but right now I'd like to do it tonight. I'm putting in this is the original radiator, and this is the aluminum one. And this aluminum one goes inside of a 90 or 89 through 94, I think. It's not the same. It's gonna be different, so I'm gonna have to rig it, you know, and I'll show you how I do it, how I rig it. But yeah, let's start. So the drain plug, I'm gonna drain it. Let out some pressure first, huh? Shit is peeling in. I'm gonna take these out. And where's the bad guy? That guy down there. Down there. See, that guy. I put a little extender on so I can get to it. Alright, I'm gonna take these two out right here, which are 10s. So I got the radiator out. I gotta take out this plug. This is the radiator fan plug. And I'm pretty sure I go down and out. Or up and out. Okay, I go. I didn't even show you. I pushed up on this clip and out. I'm trying to look at it myself. All right, pushed up and out. Now the reason why I am switching it out is you see those little particles in there inside the radiator. When my radiator was bad, I had a lot of I put a lot of stop leak stuff in here. Like a lot of stop leak stuff, and it just clogged up my whole system. So there's stop leak all up in the radiator. So anyways, gonna put this fan on this guy. And to take out the fan is this 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter. So the radiator is in. I drilled some holes, and I put these radiator zip ties in. All right. So I bought these metal zip ties to hold it in, and I drilled these two holes. I drilled a hole in there, and then a hole out to the side, so I can zip tie that in. Those are my zip ties, stainless steel zip ties. So I'm gonna cinch it in. That's where the old one was. So now it's in. I'm just burping the system. Starting to get hot. Everything's on there. All hoses are secured. I'm just gonna wait till it gets hot and see if the fan kicks on, and then the whole shabam. Let the air bubbles out if there's any in there. It's taken a while to get to this, but I don't know, probably I'm waiting for the fan to kick on. It's not that cold out, maybe 70. It's kind of cold outside. I think it has to get up to 200 for the fan to start turning on. Let's see. I think it usually turns on at 208. 208 it turns on. Alright. The fan is on. I think it goes on at like 208. And then it, I guess, stops at 200, huh? 195, 196, 94, 2. Damn, it's cold, huh? 190, huh? I think that's it. It's gonna go up to 210 or 208, and then go back down to 190. Not bad.